नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल द अल्टीमेट स्पार्क। इस चैनल के माध्यम से हमने डेली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस के साथ साथ अब एक और सीरीज शुरू की है वीकली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस की, जिसमें हम वीकली बेसिस पर क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। जैसे डेली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस के जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होंगे उनको हम वीकली बेसिस पर भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। इससे एक तो रिवीजन होगी, दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस का पता चल जाएगा। तो आप भी हमारे साथ वीकली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो 11 सितंबर से 17 सितंबर 2023 के वीक के क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हु हैज बिकम द इंडियन बॉलर हु हैज टेकन द मोस्ट विकेट्स इन द एशिया कप? ऑप्शन ए कुलदीप यादव, बी रविंद्र जडेजा, सी जसप्रीत बुमराह और डी मोहम्मद सिराज। The right answer is option B, रविंद्र जडेजा। मोस्ट विकेट्स इन एशिया कप। तो डिटेल में देखते हैं। इंडियन टीम्स ऑलराउंडर रविंद्र जडेजा has made a new record in Asia Cup 2023. Jadeja has become the highest wicket taker for India in the Asia Cup. In this matter, he has left behind former Indian bowler Irfan Pathan. Taking about the ODI format of Asia Cup, the record of taking most wickets is in the name of Sri Lanka's legendary former player Muttiah Muralidharan. 30 wickets. Ravindra Jadeja has taken 24 wickets in the Asia Cup. Next question, question number 2. Who won the 5th National Wheelchair Rugby Championship 2023? Option A Maharashtra, B Rajasthan, C Uttar Pradesh और D Bihar. The right answer is option A महाराष्ट्र। तो डिटेल में देखते हैं। महाराष्ट्र won the 5th National Wheelchair Rugby Championship 2023 with a resounding win over Karnataka with a final score of 31-10. The 5th National Wheelchair Rugby Championship 2023 was organized by the Indian Rugby Football Union. Indian Rugby Football Union, the governing body of rugby in India. Bihar team stood third in this competition. Next question, question number 3. Where is the world's highest fighter airfield being developed? Option A Srinagar, B Baku, C Kathmandu और D लद्दाख। The right answer is option D लद्दाख। डिटेल में देखते हैं इसको अब। India is building the world's highest fighter airfield at Neoma in Ladakh. This airfield being prepared by Border Road Organization, BRO भी बोलते हैं इसको, BRO, is located in eastern Ladakh, which is an important location to compete with China. This project is being prepared at a cost of rupees 218 crore. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has launched more than 90 infrastructure projects in Samba, Jammu. Next question, question number 4. Which player won the men's singles title at Indonesia Masters 2023? Option A Kiran George, B Lakshya Sen, C Ku Takahashi और D Priyanshu Rawat. The right answer is option A किरण जॉर्ज। डिटेल में देखते हैं इसको। इंडियन बैडमिंटन प्लेयर Kiran George has won the men's singles title in Indonesia Masters 2023. Kiran George, ranked 50th in badminton rankings, defeated Ku Takahashi of Japan. Kiran George won the Odisha Open title last year by defeating Priyanshu Rawat. Priyanshu Rawat in the final. Kiran George was the only Indian to reach the final of Indonesia Masters 2023. Next question, question number 5. Who won the US Open 2023 Women's Singles title? Option A Arina Sabalenka, B Erin Rutliff, C Coco Gauff, or D Gabriela Dabrowski. The right answer is option C Coco Gauff. डिटेल में देखते हैं इसको. 19-year-old American tennis player Coco Gauff has won the US Open 2023 Women's Singles title. She won this title by defeating Aryna Sabalenka of Belarus in the final. This is Gauff's first Grand Slam title. After losing the first set, he made a brilliant comeback and won the final. Next question, question number 6. How many scientists have been selected for the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for the year 2022? Option A 10, B 11, C 12, or D 13. The right answer is option C 12. डिटेल में देखते हैं. 12 scientists have been selected for the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for the year 2022. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar is the top annual award in the field of science. 12 scientists will be awarded awards in 7 categories. Dr. NCSIR, Director General Kalai Selvi met Union Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. The awards for the year 2022 were announced in the presence of Jitendra Singh, named after Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, the first director of CSIR. The awards are given in seven scientific डिसिप्लिन्स. डिसिप्लिन्स को सब्जेक्ट्स भी बोलते हैं, सब्जेक्ट्स को डिसिप्लिन्स भी बोलते हैं, यानी कि 7 साइंटिफिक सब्जेक्ट्स डिसिप्लिन्स: फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग, मैथमेटिक्स, मेडिसिन, केमिस्ट्री एंड अर्थ साइंसेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which association has been inducted as a permanent member during the New Delhi G20 summit? Option A ASEAN, B African Union, C SAARC, or D OPEC. The right answer is option B African Union. इसकी डिटेल देखते हैं. The African Union has been included as a new permanent member in the G20 summit held in New Delhi under the chairmanship of India. With this, now there are 19 countries and 2 unions, that is European Union and African Union, in this group. President of the African Union Azali Osmani attended the conference and took membership. The African Union is a continental union which includes 55 countries of the African continent. It was established in 1999. Next question, question number 8. To which country has India handed over the presidency of G20? To which country? To which country has India handed over the presidency of G20 during the New Delhi G20 summit? Option A Indonesia, B USA, C Japan or D Brazil. The right answer is option D Brazil. डिटेल में देखते हैं. During the New Delhi G20 summit, PM Modi has handed over the responsibility of the next presidency of the G20 to Brazil. PM Modi handed over the formal responsibility of the post of president to Brazil President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and promised all possible help. On December 1 last year, India took over the chairmanship of G20 from Indonesia, which was the chairperson at that time. Indonesia was chairperson of at that time. India will remain the president of G20 till 30 November. Next question, question number 9. Who has become the fastest Indian spinner to take 150 wickets in one day international cricket? ODI cricket. Option A Yajuvendra Chahal, B Ravichandran Ashwin, C Shardul Thakur or D Kuldeep Yadav. The right answer is option D Kuldeep Yadav. डिटेल देखते हैं इसकी. इंडियन स्पिनर कुलदीप यादव has become the fastest Indian spinner to take 150 wickets in one day international cricket. Now, in 88 ODI matches, Kuldeep has 150 wickets at an average of 25.64. Kuldeep's best bowling performance is 6 wickets in 25 runs. He has taken 4 wickets 7 times and 5 wickets twice for India in ODIs. Next question, question number 10. The Union Cabinet has recently approved the extension of which scheme? Option A प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना, B हर घर जल योजना, C जन धन योजना और D PM किसान योजना. The right answer is option A प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना. डिटेल देखते हैं इसकी अब. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the expansion of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana to release 75 lakh LPG connections in 3 years from the financial year 2023-24 to 2025-26 with the provision of 75 lakh additional Ujjwala connections. The total number of beneficiaries of this scheme will increase to 10.35 crore. This scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 1 मई 2016. तो आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीक मिलेंगे वीकली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस के साथ. तब तक के लिए आप डेली करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन सीरीज को देखिए। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।